Otitis media. Have you ever heard about it? It's a middle ear infection, a disease that usually appears in children, but it can also affect adults. It may show up with pain in the ear, fever, muffled hearing, discharge of fluids from the ear, paralysis in the face, and even balance disorders. Why does the middle ear and not external or internal ear get the infection? That was initially my own question when I started to read about it. These are the three sections of the ear: external, middle, and internal ear sections. The eardrum separates the external ear from the middle ear. The middle ear consists of a small air-filled cavity that is directly connected to the nasal cavity through a narrow canal, which is called the eustachian tube. This narrow tube is originally designed to keep a similar pressure on both sides of the eardrum. However, it can also play a role in entering nasal fluids to the middle ear. Now imagine if some allergies or viral infection irritate the eustachian tube and swell it. Then the fluids already entered the middle ear cavity may get trapped in there. This creates a good condition for the bacteria to grow in population and infect the middle ear cavity.
Oh God.
There are certain conditions that increase the chance of babies to develop the middle ear infection. For example, when the kid lives around someone who smokes. The smoke can irritate the eustachian tube and cause inflammation and swelling. Or if the kid spends a long time in daycare, catching viruses that infect the nasal cavity. Bottle feeding while the baby is laying on the back increases the chance of entering and trapping fluids in the middle ear. Also, usage of pacifiers was shown to increase the frequency of the acute otitis media in babies. For adults, smoking or living around someone who smokes is a risk factor. Also, catching a cold or other respiratory infections and allergies can lead to otitis media. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next video.